Hi everybody, I'm David-Dorian Ross, founder of the TaijiFit Method, and this is the TaijiFit Method on YouTube. On this channel, I post all kinds of videos about how to have a good life. We utilize three very familiar modalities: meditation, yoga, and Tai Chi, but probably in a way that you've never experienced them before. Because it's not about doing things so much as it is about feeling and about being. And when we talk about being, we're talking about being the kind of person that has that good life, feeling good, doing good, leaving good behind you. And all of that is what you're going to get on this channel. So all you got to do, hit the subscribe button and then hit the little bell icon, because that's how you know every time I put up another video. And I look forward to meeting you, hearing your comments, and seeing you right here on this channel.